method, I remove this from the mother plants, the succulents, suckers, or babies. Some of them I already put this in the Lucky Dip bulb, Hippeastrum or lilies. So yeah, so I get some few here, and then this one will be few here in the Harlequin. 1, 2, 3, maybe. The rest gonna put it for now, and I'm gonna put the here. A really good soil. I've done this before, so we done this again today. Enjoy the succulent lovers. This one is already big, so make sure you clean in the bottom. See, we still debris is old and no life on that. Remove. So here it is, another one here. So if we grow more, and then I get one more babies on the back, there's more than two, so I'm going to add more, maybe just add more here. Yeah, there. Or you can add more if you want. So I'm collecting more succulents now, slowly but surely. And there's another more here next to Red Flame Peony flowering here, while this one will be growing nicely as well. Succulent addict. I became an addict of succulent many years ago, guys. So good to grow. Don't have to water them every day too, because sometimes I don't water them every single time. It's not the only job you got, so I like that they look after themselves. So for now, so that's the root setup. For now, I let them be. So once I grow, get more of the succulent from the mother and the other side of the house, then I'm gonna get them put more here. So now, as you can see, that's look beautiful. I really like this reddish ambery color of this other succulents. I show you the mother soon, and this one will grow more babies in the future coming. Amazing. All right, let's go with the mother plants. Here is their ambery color. Oh boy, yeah. So I'll probably get more here. In this one,